Hi friends, I miss you so much. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to show you this really cool thing. There's this awesome pond, like creek, and there's little tiny tadpoles in there. A tadpole is like a very small baby frog, and it will grow up and become a frog. So I'm gonna see if I can catch them. But I think the tadpoles might be faster than Miss Little, so we'll see. Okay, I see a big tadpole in there, but I don't know if I can catch him. He looks pretty fast. Ah, he swam away. So I'm trying to catch these tadpoles that are in the pond, but there's also a lot of cool other little creatures in there. I saw some water snails, which are pretty cool looking. They have like a spiral shell. I saw a bunch of mosquitoes and other little bugs. And the tadpoles will grow up to become big, strong frogs, and they will eat the little bugs. So they all work together to have a happy home in the pond. I have him in my hand. He's just cruising around. So he lives in the pond, and he eats the dead plants and the scum and the algae that goes on the bottom. So he's kind of like the garbage man of the pond and gets rid of all the trash. So as I was trying to get a tadpole, I actually found this little guy. He's a mosquito baby. So that's mosquito larvae. So he'll grow up and he'll fly and be a mosquito. So here's one of the tadpoles I caught. Put him in here so you can see him up close. See how he swims? The mama frog lays a bunch of eggs. They look kind of like little eyeballs. Then when they hatch, you have a little tiny tadpole. He has a little tail to get around. Then he starts to grow little legs, and he's called a froglet. And then his legs reabsorb into his body, and he becomes a frog. Still a tadpole because he doesn't have legs yet. Now I put another tadpole in so you can see the difference. The bigger one is a froglet because he has little tiny legs. Let's see if I can move the bowl so you can see his, wow, he's fast. He has little tiny legs that he's starting to swim around with. And soon those will go back into his body, he'll lose his tail, and he'll be a frog. Thanks for coming with me on our pond adventure. Enjoyed catching frogs with you guys. See you next time. Bye.